Dreame L50 Ultra versus L40 Gen 2. Choosing the wrong robot guarantees daily buyer's remorse. No time wasting today, we are breaking down every major hidden difference fast, so you can avoid a costly mistake. Let's dive in.
The L50 Ultra's launch price was $1,399, whereas the L40 Gen 2 starts around $649, though recent sales vary.
Regarding overall height dimensions, both sleek robot vacuums measure an identical 97 millimeters for easy furniture navigation. Surprisingly, the massive monolithic L50 Ultra dock footprint takes up exactly identical floor space to the L40 station. You'll notice high-impact ABS glossy build material on both premium stations, ensuring long-lasting modern durability. Furthermore, identical available colors in stark black or bright white effortlessly match any contemporary smart home aesthetic perfectly. Looking at the LiDAR mechanism, the L50 wins with a retractable European variant over the static L40 dome. This retractable feature gives the L50 an amazing lowest height clearance advantage for sneaking underneath very low couches. Precise gliding bumper arrays guarantee superior sensor safety and control compared to the standard cliff sensors used otherwise. Let us examine the revolutionary ProLeap chassis lift mechanism, which gives the Flagship L50 incredible articulating suspension capabilities. Consequently, the phenomenal L50 comfortably clears an unprecedented max barrier height of 60 millimeters across multi-tiered layouts. This also translates into extraordinary single-step climbing power, easily conquering 42 millimeter thresholds without awkward hesitation. Dynamic gravity retractable legs drive this advanced lift technology, whereas the L40 remains trapped by fixed suspension geometry. Conversely, the L40 Gen 2 absolutely dominates max suction power, delivering a monstrous 25,000 pascals altogether. However, the L50 fights back fiercely with its dual spinning main brush roll, effortlessly shredding deeply embedded dirt inside. Fortunately, both robust models utilize identical robotic arm side brush tech to vigorously sweep dust out of corners. The superior L50 aerodynamic fluid routing completely eliminates annoying jams, winning the anti-tangle brush architecture battle effortlessly. Unfortunately, official floor direction cleaning remains stubbornly absent on both sophisticated devices. Meanwhile, dynamic baseboard scrubbing makes the dual-flex robo-swing edge mopping tech on the L50 undeniably more impressive. The highly intelligent OmniDirt optical sensors empower the L50 to perform meticulous smart remopping over stubbornly sticky stains. Please comment down below if you have any pressing questions, and always check the pinned comment for details. The L50 guarantees actively melting greasy kitchen spills away instantly. Both brilliant base stations deliver exceptional hygiene tech, employing hot air drying to thoroughly prevent nasty bacterial growth. Crucially, physical dock dropping allows the L50 to boast true mop automatic detach capabilities to keep premium carpets dry. You will absolutely love the massive 4.5-liter clean water tank capacity shared across both models. Additionally, a generous 3.2-liter structural dust bag capacity easily holds up to 100 days. The L50 natively incorporates a fully automated detergent mixing system, eliminating the hidden costs of purchasing optional modules. Uniquely, the Flagship L50 introduces unparalleled base station modularity, perfectly supporting direct water plumbing hookups for automated refilling. 20 powerful spray nozzles make the exclusive Ace Clean dryboard base self-cleaning mechanism a monumental victory for the L50. Breathing easier is guaranteed because the L50 features an exceptionally highly efficient H13 standard APA filter status inside. Both formidable vacuums prioritize proper allergen containment by maintaining identical fully sealed 3.2-liter debris bags. Active bacteriostatic silver ion integration gives the L50 an amazing built-in sterilization advantage without manual add-ons. True visual optics powered heavily by RGB AI and 3D light elevate the camera sensors on the L50. This brilliant machine employs physical LED headlight illumination assist, granting perfect night vision where laser models fail completely. Consequently, the robust visual cross-reference system hands the supreme obstacle avoidance crown directly to the L50 Ultra. Semantic identification allows the massive 180 object AI recognition database tier to absolutely crush competition. Real-time live video and audio capabilities make remote monitoring beautifully seamless on the incredibly rich Flagship model. You get direct voice command functionality thanks to the delightfully convenient built-in Dreame Home voice assistant on board. Acoustically dampened engineering keeps standard noise levels pleasantly manageable, effortlessly avoiding the irritating high-pitch whine of L40. Just be warned, the violently loud auto-emptying noise level remains highly disruptive across both of these devices. Exceptional zero-tangle DuoBrush performance definitively crowns the L50 as the ultimate champion for frustrating pet hair pickup. An interactive pet finding mode monitor provides fantastic specialized pet features that completely blind cameraless competitors lack. Astonishingly, a 23% larger battery cell grants the L50 an epic 200-minute max runtime. Both highly efficient models utilize rapid fast charging technology, requiring just 3 to 4 hours for total recharge. Auto-detaching mops radically minimize terrifying carpet risks on the L50, perfectly eliminating the danger of dragging pads. The zero-compromise package generously includes crucial liquid solutions and premium accessories right inside the box for success. Bringing us to the final recommendation, the L50 Ultra represents an absolutely phenomenal, holistically complete premium upgrade. Its remarkable articulating chassis lifting technology and advanced smart obstacle avoidance make it hands down the ultimate champion. On the other hand, the highly cost-effective L40 remains a shockingly powerful suction beast for hard floors. Ultimately, purchasing the L50 ensures future-proof cleaning automation, effortlessly conquering complex environments with zero frustrating user compromises.